Yeah, who's back? You already know. They already
It's
know.
Friday now.
Back again.
Guess who's back?
With a new apron.
Is back.
With a lovely new apron.
Oh my God.
KADINE'S
Good morning, everybody. It's great to
kitchen
be here
is
this
Chef Mary Jane.
morning.
Hi, guys. Good morning.
I'm loving the apron. I'm loving the cap too. Like,
Yeah.
this
Chef
is
Mary
different.
Jane is rebranding. You know,
Yes,
Well,
so
that's
let's
what
watch
it
this
is.
journey.
she's all out for a lip-smacking experience.
With a twist.
With a twist.
What was that?
So where did that come from?
All right, rain or shine, you can bet that we'll always make it up to you when it comes to exercise, because fitness is important to us as it is to you. Tongue twisted there. Okay, so it's another Friday and another day where we have Chef Mary Jane to give us that lip-smacking experience with her traditional Nigerian dishes, as always. Yes.
Okay.
You should give me a round of applause for that.
You got it. You got it.
Not all the
you got
time. It's not all the time you get this
got
sort
it,
of
baby. You got it.
interesting
Well,
intro on the show.
what we need to do really would take a bit of time.
Okay, guys. So just in case you don't know, we are making catfish pepper soup, and because it's raining.
What a fantastic...
I'm
How
telling
did
you.
know? Did we have a forecast or something?
You know, sometimes when these things just happen, you just never know.
For a good reason.
Okay, so
Okay.
Chef Mary Jane.
I'm trying to wash the fish.
Yeah.
And for catfish, because it's usually slimy,
Yeah.
it's always best to wash it with warm water. I had already mixed the water to my comfort.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second.
All right, so whilst Miss Chef Mary Jane is trying to sort out our catfish, I'll quickly run you through the ingredients for this dish. So, over to you, Chef Mary Jane.
Just 1 second. I can't leave the
So we have our pepper. On the table here, we have yellow and red pepper. We have Cameroon pepper. We have
have
crayfish.
Ehuru.
Ehuru.
Yes.
Which is the Ehuru?
This is Ehuru. This
Okay.
is Uda.
What's Uda again?
Uda Negro pepper.
Negro.
Yes.
Negro.
Yes, Negro pepper. Yes.
Okay, then we
Then
have onion and
The Uyayak
Uyayak.
pod.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the item pod. Okay, I'm sorry, I had to cut you short. This fish is easier washed with warm water and using a knife to scrape
The body of the fish.
Yes, which makes it not have the slime anymore.
Okay.
This is the main thing about cooking the fish. If you don't get this right at this stage, wow, this is hot.
So it has to be in very hot water.
Warm enough so that you can easily scrape off the slime, because if you don't scrape it off well, some people are allergic to fish. I can start with my husband is allergic to fish. So if for those allergic to fish, if they eat it, some of them have issues like tummy and all that and all that. So it's quite important you wash it properly. If you notice, the black slimes are out.
Yes, out. I noticed.
Oh God, this is hot.
Sorry about that.
Oh boy, hold on, hold on.
The many hazards of being in the kitchen, guys. Interesting. So now that I know how to properly wash my catfish, I am going to try catfish pepper soup this weekend, maybe. Just
Okay,
maybe.
we are just almost there. Okay.
Because catfish is one fish, apart from the fact that it's pretty expensive, it's one fish a lot of people run away from.
Why?
Because they either kind of, go through that rigorous process of, making it.
Well, that's why you need me. I'll make it for you and deliver to you. And your hand doesn't have to burn you like
Chef
it's burning
Mary
me.
Jane.
Yes, that's the whole thing. That's the whole idea. So you want to have your catfish, just check us up on our Instagram page and place your order and we'll deliver to you anywhere in Nigeria.
I trust you, businesswoman. All right, so where are we with this?
Okay, we are done. We're almost done. I just want to make sure I make the teeth of the...
What's your favorite part of the catfish?
The head. You're not my friend, sorry.
Yes, we are definitely
you're
going to
not
fight
my
over
friend.
this head this
We are
morning, Chef
not-
Mary
we are
Jane.
really
We are
not
going
friends.
to fight over this
We are
head.
really not
And then I
friends.
noticed that there's the unripe plantain.
Oh, sorry,
going.
yes.
What are we doing with that?
We are going to eat the pepper soup with unripe plantain.
And they call it okodo, right?
Yes.
Okodo.
I think that's the
pronounce
Deltans
it
that call it.
properly?
Is it Okodo, Ukodo?
Oh, well, guys, so you let us know
Someone should tell
how
us
it's
what it
properly
is.
pronounced. Is it okodo or ukodo or okodo? Yeah.
U-K-O-N-D-O.
Okodo.
Yes.
Okodo. Okay, yeah. So yeah, my director is telling me right now that it's pronounced as ukodo.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are right on track. So we have our ripe plantain boiling already.
Yes.
And I am so excited about this meal. One, it's pretty cold in here. It's a rainy day. And what better day to make catfish pepper soup?
Yes.
I mean, like, we are going to blow you away in the studio this morning. All right.
Okay.
So quickly, guys, let's go through the ingredients just in case you're just joining us. We have our grounded crayfish. We have, you can check out the ingredients on your screen right now. We have ehuru.
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 Yes, that's the Negro pepper.
Negro pepper.
Then we have, oh, sorry.
Uyayak.
No. Ehuru is calabash nutmeg.
Because I was wondering, there's Negro pepper right in front of me.
Negro pepper is
here.
Uda. And then we have the Uyayak pod, which is the Iden pod. And we have crayfish. We have Utazi, which we are going to use for seasoning and garnishing. Then we have onions. We have our peppers. I'm going to chop it in bits. And in a bit, we'll start making our fish.
Catfish pepper soup. Guys, I am so excited. So we are going on a quick break right now. Stay with us. We are going to serve some hot, fresh ukodo on the show. You don't want to miss this, guys.
About what she just witnessed.
Yummy. So what you now? We're now in the kitchen now. I hope I'm getting that right, guys. Okay, so yeah, we're in the kitchen with Chef Mary Jane, and we are making something very, very, very exciting and delicious, of course. We are making catfish pepper soup and ukodo. Yeah?
It's called ukodo.
Ukodo.
Yes.
Wait, is it catfish pepper soup or ukodo? Or
Catfish pepper soup
and ukodo?
Ukodo.
Ukodo. That's what we are making, guys. Okay. So let's on your screen you have the ingredients.
Yes.
So we're making use of our grounded crayfish, uyayak, uda, which is also called Negro pepper, ehuru.
Yes.
Salt, seasoning, our utazi, onions,
Peppers, yes.
and our catfish,
Our
of course, which is
catfish.
main ingredients basically.
Okay,
yeah.
we've washed the catfish. Before we went off on the break, we showed how to wash the catfish. You use warm water, warm enough for your hand, and then use knife to scrape the slime away.
Yeah.
So a
Ooh. Are we boiling? Okay. So you pour in a little bit of water, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
If not, I wouldn't have gotten that.
Okay.
Okay, so we're done with washing the fish. So we just want to put in the fish. Okay.
So Uyayak actually has a lot of amazing health benefits.
Oh, yes, it does. But the main thing I love about it is the aroma.
Yes.
Always, my God.
It's a must-have for your pepper soup. Like it's a very key ingredient for your pepper soup, right?
Yes.
Yes, so
If you
well,
want it to
Chef
be
Mary
that
Jane
nice.
is always up and down in the kitchen, going
Okay.
here and there, because she has so many things here, basically.
We just have to share it.
Yeah.
So we're going to put in our scent pepper,
Okay,
our uda,
which is our Negro pepper.
yes, our ehuru.
Ehuru. You're making use of a lot of peppers here.
Um,
So we have
Those are
this
mainly
bell
for
peppers,
garnishing.
we have, oh, this for garnishing.
yes.
Okay, great.
And we're having our crayfish in. And then we'll have some salt to taste.
Okay.
When the fish is almost done, we're going to check it again. Then our Iden pod.
It's also called prekese.
The Iden pod,
Yeah.
the Uyayak.
Yeah.
Where did you get that from?
Oh, yeah, darling. Google is your friend.
Okay.
Google is your friend.
Googleites.
Yeah, so.
Or rather, some of my friends say, ask Ifa. Google is always
okay.
Ifa in his own way.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
So
we're
where
going
are
to
we?
mix it together, which we have. Taste for...
How come you're not giving me to taste? I
It's
don't
not
want that
time.
taste.
It's not time for you to taste. So the next thing we're going to do is to allow
So
it-
we're not putting in our seasoning yet, yeah?
No.
Okay.
We want the flavors and the spices we have to go in.
Okay.
So we'll give it some time.
And then we're also boiling unripe plantains over
Which
there.
is
I think they're
actually
almost ready.
done.
Yeah.
Yes, and I purposely boiled it with the back so that when you're peeling it, it comes out smooth without the knife having to scratch it or it being not looking nice. So I boiled it with the back. First of all, you have to wash the plantain and then have it dropped into boiling hot water.
Okay.
So this is ready. This is one of the ways to know your plantain is ready when the back
Is
is
open.
broken, yes. And almost all of them, their whole backs are open. So we are good to go.
So unripe plantains are very, very healthy. if you're a diabetic patient, unripe plantains are like your go-to.
I think for me
meal
is the
for them.
iodine.
Yes,
The
in your-
iodine
and they're very
content
rich in
is
minerals
awesome,
as well.
yeah.
All right, so we'll go on a quick commercial break. There's more on Wake Up Nigeria. Stay with us.
To the kitchen.
And I'm liking her even more. Are you sure you have to hand over this year? Can you like stay another year? Please. Let's go to the kitchen. Now,
We're gonna be,
we can see how she's dwarfing us in height now.
She's actually taller than me,
Yeah.
and she's wearing flats.
Yeah, she's wearing flat shoes.
Please have a seat.
All right.
Welcome to the kitchen.
Welcome.
Chef Mary Jane and MM.
Nice to meet you.
You look pretty.
Thank you. You too.
Even with the flash, I feel.
Okay,
I feel
so we have Chef Mary Jane here, and she made ukodo this morning. So Chef Mary Jane, over to you.
Oh, okay. We made kodo. It's basically catfish and boiled unripe plantain. Trust me, it's not as pepperish as the pepper soup they say it is. So,
All right,
would like
then
you to have
please
some.
have a taste and tell
Luckily,
us.
this has no fattening.
I wouldn't mind the fat though.
It's not
Oh,
fattening
really?
at all, actually.
She wouldn't mind.
You know, so because I know the beauty queens. Yeah.
not a small one, no.
As in, okay.
So let us know,
So
what do you think?
Can I take this home?
Yes, you may.
It's all yours.
Yes, you may.
That's
Yes,
the
you
right
can.
answer.
The perfect answer. So we're rounding off now. A big thank you to all our guests for joining us this morning. And of course to Homely NG for the kitchen accessories that we've got on the show.
Yes, indeed. Thank you, thank you. And of course, thank you to Fola at Fola's Place for the hairstyling. We really appreciate it. It's all about you.
Yeah.
Tuning in again on Monday. Make sure you make yourself part of the show.
Yeah, thanks to
on
Ugochi
Monday.
as well.
Yes, thank you.
Waking up early and joining
It
us.
wasn't easy though.
Joining us.
Thanks to all the
And of
dancers
course,
and all the
Chef
Chef
Mary
Mary
Jane.
Jane.
Well done.
All right.
Thank you.
Take
Bye.
care.
Have a great weekend, guys.
Bye.